All right, guys, welcome to Riviera Beach. So today we decided to catch the sunrise at Riviera Beach, and it was quite a sight to see. Got to see a nice cruise ship coming in. I thought it was coming straight into the land, but clearly there's some place for it to go. But I will show you guys my experience here for the sunrise at Riviera Beach as we continue to explore. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. As we enjoy the beautiful sunrise, look at the glow. Look at the glow in the sky. You know, sometimes we get so busy we forget to take time to stop and enjoy God's beautiful nature. So, as we're out here enjoying it, just want to remind you guys, pause, you know, and take a look around. God has created so many wonderful things in this world for us to enjoy. Let us actually enjoy it. They have a place that you could wash off with fresh water, wash off the salt water on the beach. It's pretty nice out here. It's pretty nice, pretty decent. Of course, they have a restroom area that you could go into. Nice, beautiful area here also. If you want to be out here, they have a volleyball section, if I'm not mistaken, that we passed already. It should be on this side, actually. So look. Yep, so over here, the volleyball section. So you could come and relax. Parking is, if you park out here on the strip, it's gonna be $3 for the first hour. But if you park in the parking lot where I parked further back, it is free for the first 2 hours. And then you'll have to pay after that. And the parking is for people who are coming to the mall or the beach only. So anybody else, you can expect that they will tow you or give you a ticket, whichever one. Now, this is the sign I was speaking about that says first hour, $3. And then after that, you have an hourly rate. And parking is for beach and ocean mall patrons only. All violators will be towed at vehicle owner's expense. But it is pretty nice out here. You have a few restaurants you could go to. It's right across the street. A few shopping areas if you want to shop. And very, very beautiful scenery, actually. Very beautiful. As you can see it unfold. So this is where the beach is, where you have the parking that you pay for $3 for the first hour. And then just come around to the backside of the mall. And this is the parking lot where you have the free parking for 2 hours, for the first 2 hours. So actually, let's go over there now. So beautiful out here. And then here's the sign. It says first 2 hours free. So if you want to come to the beach, I would recommend parking in these parking lots instead of going directly to the front lot over there. Not the front lot, the street parking that you pay $3 for the first hour. All right, guys, so that was my experience at Riviera Beach. Let me know what you guys think. I've definitely been here before. We actually went into the water last time when we came, and it was a very good experience. So definitely I would recommend coming to Riviera Beach if you have the time. Today is November 14th, 2025. So it's not crowded because it is a school day on Friday. So it won't be crowded today, but it's a wonderful experience. So when you guys try it out, let me know what you think and what other places you recommend I visit on this exploration. All right, you guys stay blessed and enjoy the rest of your day.